everyone! My name is Marianna and this is Truman, my Cape Parrot. He's been in quarantine, separate from the other birds for over a year now because of health issues. So now that he and the other birds are doing better, we can put them back together. One last thing before we can do it is we need to give him a good wash. Hey Truman, let's go and give you a good wash. Hi baby. Excited? Truman, we gotta get you looking real nice before meeting Kili and Rachel. All done, Truman. That's really clean. Time to see the girls. Hey, Kili. Are you excited to have Truman back? Truman, that's your friend Kili. Okay, time to meet Rachel. This is Rachel. We clean the cage. We put new perches in, new toys, and it's time for him to go home. Hey Truman, check out your new cage. New cage setup. Ooh. So Truman is back with the other birds now. You can follow him and the rest of the flock at trainedparrot.com.